Hey, good evening, guys. Hope y'all are doing well. Just another quick little video for you. So I recently, a really great member over on Toast and a fellow YouTuber by the name of Vintage Life sent me out some soap to sample and see how it's going to work. It's a Almalfi Basil Lemon. It says it's named after the Italy's Almalfi coast. It is a tallow-based soap, and it has the basil in it. That's about all I can read off of here that makes sense to me. He uses a lot of big words that I don't understand. But as you can see, the soap came wrapped very, very, very nice, very well. And the scent is just absolutely amazing. So what we're going to do for this is we're actually going to take our Green Mountain sample that we still have left. We're going to repurpose that into something else, and this puck is actually going to fit right into a Old Spice mug. So that's what we're going to be putting this in. So Vintage Life, man, I appreciate it. That was way too kind of you, and it's definitely going to go to good use. Got a couple things on tap first that we're going to be using. Some products, but we will get around to doing a review on this, I guarantee it. Oh, it smells wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. So there you have it. Now just press down into the Old Spice mug, and you can see the diameter there. And when it actually goes in, the ridges actually help to keep it upright a little bit. So pretty cool. I appreciate you doing that. And we'll get a review out real soon. So y'all take care. Just wanted to show you that. Bye.